Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a beautiful floral swag or wreath for you today. This swag was made using materials that came from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Plant seeds and grow love. I thought it was very perfect for this time of year. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Here is a list of the tools and materials I used to complete the project. For your convenience, I've also included a detailed list in the description box below. You're going to need one of these shovels. I picked it up in the seasonal toy section up where they keep all the summer goods at the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some of the thick floral wire. And you're going to need one of the 2 rounds in this, and this is the 4.8 inch by 0.75 inch. You're going to want to cut 2 pieces of the floral wire at about 9 to 10 inches in length. And you want to shape it and bend around the back of the shovel, both pieces. This is going to help us to attach our floral foam. I'm going to be placing my floral foam about here, and then I'm going to run these back and pull them through and then tie them down. And I'm also going to hot glue this down. Okay, I need this to be very secure because everything else is going to be attached to this, and then I'm also going to put florals into it. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and lay down some hot glue. That'll help hold it in place while I get the wires on. Then from the back, you just want to go ahead and push that wire through. So it wraps around the back and pushes through. You want to do one at the top and one near the bottom. Don't go too close to the edge because it may break through to the edge. Okay, then use that and just kind of secure it down. Pull it, give it a good twist. And then go ahead and trim off any extra wire. So push it up from the back and then push the top down so you get it nice and secure. I have this sign that I picked up from Dollar General. It was only $1. I thought it was really cute. It says plant seeds and grow love, which I thought was absolutely perfect to go on this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be attaching this over the foam. Now I'm also going to be adding, I have a pair of gardening gloves that was sent to me free in the mail. So I'm going to be using those. And I also got 2 packages of seeds, and these are florals. I'm also going to be using these. So I'm going to go ahead and place my gloves so that they're kind of hanging over the top. And then my seeds sticking out. And then I'm going to add florals around. So the first thing I want to do is get my gloves attached. And I am going to have this slightly angled, So I'm going to use this little bar that came with the sign to hang it to help keep the gloves up off of the sign. So you just need to decide how you want those to hang. Make sure that they're not going to cover your words. And then hot glue them onto the back. Now you can pick up a pair of gardening gloves from the Dollar Tree, and you can also pick up seed packets. And you can use either floral seed packets or vegetable, it doesn't matter. Either will do. Okay, and I can kind of readjust those a little bit as they hang when I get everything attached. Maybe right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and attach those. Just figure out where you want them and then glue them down. Okay, once you've got your seeds and your gloves on, the next thing is you're going to go ahead and attach your sign. Now to do that, I am going to not only glue it down, but I'm also going to use pipe cleaners. So I want to attach one pipe cleaner near the bottom and one pipe cleaner up near the top. Lay down a good amount of glue. Lay your pipe cleaner in there. I always like to top it off with a little bit more. Do the same thing at the top. Once the glue is nice and dry, you can go ahead and attach it onto the shovel. On the gloves, you want to make sure that you glue it down thoroughly, even the inside, so that it doesn't come loose. Then go ahead and simply decide where you want to place it on your shovel. Make sure you have it at the height that you want. Make sure that it covers the disc in the back. Once you do, go ahead and turn it over. And then you can take either the upper or the lower, whichever one you want, and go ahead and tie that down. Okay. Then go ahead and lift up your disc and go in and add some hot glue. Should get that placed back down. Okay, so tighten up your pipe cleaner if you need to. You want that nice and secure. Go ahead and do the top one as well. Okay, now on the bottom pipe cleaner, you can go ahead and trim off the excess. Get that to lay flat. And then hit it with some hot glue over the knot. You don't want it to come apart. Now you don't want to do that to the top one here. Once you get it twisted down, you want to leave the ends. This is what we're going to use to hang it. But go ahead and put some hot glue over that so it doesn't come undone or become loose. While you're waiting for that to dry, go ahead and add some more hot glue down along the sides. You want to make sure everything stays together. So while we're waiting for everything to firm up and completely set, I wanted to show you the florals that I pulled out. Let's see, I have pink and yellow, and this is called Spike. I have this one that has a little bit of the purple and some white, a little yellow, and a butterfly. This is just called a Bouquet. I really like these. I think they're very pretty. They're called Dripping Blossoms. They're white, but they have a nice pale yellow center. And then these beauties are Daisies, and they're nice, pretty pink with a bright yellow center. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and prep your flowers. Go ahead and remove any tags. Pull it out and cut them as long as you can. We can always trim them shorter if we need to. Now that the glue is all set, go ahead and make a loop out of your pipe cleaners, twist it off, and then I just wrap the end around. And that's what you're going to use to go ahead and hang it. Then you can go ahead and flip it over, and you just want to adjust your gloves. And go ahead and tack them down with a little bit of hot glue once you get them setting where you want them, because you don't want them to cover up your sign. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I think that looks so cute. And now I'm just going to basically go in and add my florals. And I do have the one butterfly. I am going to use that, especially since my sign has butterflies on it. So that was a bonus that came in that bouquet. These are probably my favorite flowers on here, so I want to make sure that these are well seen. And remember, these are on wire, so even though I'm sticking them in on the side, I can go back and bend them so that they will show forward. Okay? So you just need to decide where you want to start placing your florals. Adjust your wire. You want to be able to get it in there a little bit, but not too far. And then go ahead and start placing your blooms. Now I like to leave some greenery on mine, so that's what I normally do. Once you get your floral in there, you can go ahead and hit that spot with just a little bit of hot glue. That way it's not going to work its way out. Okay, so just go ahead and add in your florals however you would like around the sides. Okay, we're all done. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I did use just the 5 stems of florals. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's craft. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I do upload new content several times a week. Thanks again for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you and your family are all staying happy, healthy, and strong. You have a great day, and I will catch you next time.